So a customer had this Prius towed here. It's a Gen 2, 2004 to 2009. He said that he was just in the parking lot and it shut off. So when we step on the brake, we got nothing. When he was in the parking lot, he can smell like a burning smell. I've came across this a couple times. So if you look here, since there's no power at all, this is the AM2 fuse, which is the second fuse down, 15 amp fuse. It's popped. You can barely see it, but yeah, 15 amp AM2 fuse popped, as you can see right here on, it's this one. Now you're like, why? Well, why did the fuse pop? The reason the AM2 fuse popped would be the water pump right here. This is the inverter water pump, and it's circle with two hoses, one on top, one on the side. And that's what was gonna be your burning smell, because when they go out, it'll short out. And when it shorts out, it burns until it pops this fuse right there.